I'm Tanya Neuss. I'm the course leader for FTA Digital Media Design and BA Digital Media Design here at Lewes for East Sussex College. I love my job. I love my job because it's really nice to see where students start and how they change over the period of time that I'm teaching them, and then sending them off into the world with an amazing array of really contemporary skills that should give them a fantastic career if they choose to work within the industry. So students in the first year come into the course from varied backgrounds. So the types of courses that we recruit from can be arts, media, graphics, sometimes textiles, sometimes photography, a really wide arena of skills. And therefore the first year is all about consolidating everybody's skill set and progressing forwards with a number of different areas of the course. So it's quite a full-on first year. Every project is a little bit different. The types of outcomes that you're doing range from print-based work, interactive work to animation, and the students find it really exciting to learn all of those skills in a short space of time. Then in the second year they start thinking about specialisms, so thinking about everything they've learned from the first year, what they've enjoyed most, what they're good at, what they want to do more of, and perhaps even starting to think about where they'll progress to once they finish. So the second year is about thinking about who they are as a designer, and finding a personal route through their learning. And then in the BA it's about really working on all of those skills from a very personal point of view. There's a lot of self-initiated projects in the third year. They range from again, all of the skills that they learn in that first year, so they're revisiting perhaps a traditional graphic design or interactive app design, or perhaps motion graphics, or video work. It is very varied. The other thing that the third year do is to write a dissertation, so they have a written part to the course in every year, but the third year is about a personal journey through their learning and really doing a deep dive into one area of interest. And then that culminates with an end of year show at the Fabrica Gallery in Brighton, where the students brand and promote that show themselves, and the idea being that it's a showcase for employers to come and see what they've done and hopefully offer placements and work to some of our students, which has been very successful in the past.
The thing I enjoy the most about the course is all the support that we get, and there's lots of one-to-one time with the teacher. And also I have really enjoyed the fact that we get to work like to professional briefs. So there's client-led stuff which I really enjoy.
The main reasons I think that this is good for students is that the one-to-one support is something you are never going to get at a standard university, because the class sizes are much larger particularly at the University of Brighton compared to here. So the maximum number of students that we have in a class is 16, but actually on a regular day we probably get slightly less than that. So knowing that you are able to come into class and have a significant amount of time with your tutors is something that we can give you, that the university is not going to be able to provide, or not the university, any other university is going to be able to provide.
I think people should study here because, as I say, there's lots of one-to-one time with the tutors, which I know like lots of other people don't get at actual uni, and also they want you here, they want you to do well, which I don't think, not that other unis don't want that, but I don't think people know that they want you to do well. You're just sort of left to it, where here there's always someone to ask.